Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. In this video, I'm going to share the basic Murukku recipe which you can easily make in your home. Murukku is a deep fried crisp snack made with rice and various lentil flours. These are very common in South India during festivals. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
Let me show you all the ingredients. I'm going to use 1 cup of besan flour, 1 cup of rice flour, salt to taste, a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of ajwain. In a mixing bowl, combine rice flour, besan flour, salt to taste. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, asafoetida, sesame seeds and ajwain. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil. Into that add 1 tablespoon of butter and add into the flour mixture. I'm using sesame seed oil. Use your clean hands and knead the dough. Pour water a little at a time as needed and form a smooth crack-free dough. See, I use less than half a cup of water. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Let it rest for a few minutes. You definitely need a Murukku press to make this recipe. It comes with different molds. Each gives a beautiful shape. You can use any mold when you make it. I bought this one from India, but you can get this at any Indian grocery store. We put the dough inside, close it and spin it from the top. What happens? When this goes down, it presses the dough and it comes out a beautiful shape. Heat oil on a medium flame for deep frying. I'm going to use these spatulas to make them spiral shape. Check if the oil is hot by testing. Put a small piece of dough into the hot oil. If it rises, then the oil is ready. Fill the mold with one of the parts and put the top on. First, I'm going to dip the spatula into the oil so that the dough won't stick on it. Press the Murukku maker and move it a spiral shape. Break off the dough as you go along. Gently lift it and drop it in the hot oil. Do not crowd the pan as the Murukku needs enough space to fry. Also, do not disturb them for a minute, otherwise they'll break as the dough is light. After a minute, stir them often to fry evenly. Once it's done, they'll fall to the bottom. Drain them on a kitchen paper towel and repeat for the rest. If you want, you can press them over the hot oil directly, but you should be very careful. This time let me try this pattern. perfect anytime snack. It goes well with a cup of hot coffee or tea. Try it today and let me know what you think.
See you soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye. Stay home and stay safe.